Digitization and its benefit essay. Digitization simply refers to the process of converting information from its traditional physical format, such as books, pictures, and documents, into a digital format. This digital format can be stored, accessed, and shared easily using computers and other electronic devices. In today's world, digitization has become an essential part of our lives. It has brought many benefits to us, making our lives easier and more convenient. One of the biggest advantages of digitization is that it allows us to store and access a large amount of information in a small space. Instead of carrying a heavy bag filled with books, we can store hundreds of books on a single device. This not only saves space but also makes it easier for us to carry our favorite books wherever we go. Another benefit of digitization is that it makes information easily searchable. If we need to find a specific piece of information from a book, instead of flipping through pages, we can simply type a few words in a search bar and find the information we are looking for within seconds. This saves us a lot of time and effort. Digitization has made communication easier and faster. With digital devices like smartphones and computers, we can communicate with people all over the world instantly through email, social media, and messaging apps. This has made it easier to stay connected with friends and family even if they live far away. Digitization also made governance easy and more efficient. Citizens can take advantage of different government schemes through online platforms, reducing the need for physical visits to government offices. This leads to higher satisfaction among citizens. In conclusion, digitization has revolutionized the way we store, access, and share information. As technology continues to advance, we can expect digitization to play an even bigger role in our lives in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.